Hi guys, it's Legionero. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Today I want to show you some of the experiments that I've been working on because, you know, I got the Cricut machine for my birthday. That is the best birthday present ever. So I got that, and I have been trying to incorporate sewing with the Cricut machine. I know in one of my last videos I showed you some of the tote bags that I've been making. I buy the tote bags from Hobby Lobby and I put designs on them that I purchased from other designers. I put them on using the Cricut machine. So I want to show you some other things that I have made using the Cricut and sewing the bags, because what's the use if you can't combine your hobbies, right? As much as they cost us. All right, so the first thing is a clutch bag. You all know I started out making clutch bags. That's I think that is my first tutorial, my clutch bag tutorial. I'll link that in the description box below. So I created a template. Can't talk today. Created a clutch bag template. One that I want to use, and because I want to start selling these in my store. So this is the clutch bag that I made. I haven't added the wristlet strap yet. I'm going to add those. I'm contemplating doing a live. I'm not sure if it'll be here or on Instagram, but if I do it on Instagram, hopefully it can record and I can put it on here. We'll see. I'm a little nervous because I'm just nervous about going live, because when you go live, you can't really edit stuff out that I know of. Can you? Anyway, see, I don't know anything about going live. So I'm a little nervous about going live. But eventually I want to do it. Anywho, speaking of that, in the comments below, tell me whether you prefer you're watching YouTube, but tell me whether you would prefer an Instagram live or a YouTube live. I'm pretty sure if I do it on Instagram, I can put it here on YouTube once it's recorded. Anyway, I'm getting a little long-winded. So this is made out of denim. I have a huge roll of denim. So I made this out of the denim. On the inside, it has an African print lining. And on the outside, it has the queen. I showed you all, I did the video where I did the queen earlier. I'll link it in the description box below. But I used heat transfer vinyl, and it is a sparkly glitter vinyl. Silver. It's really, really cute. I like it. So that's that one. And I did another one in the sparkly vinyl. The first time I did that video, I tried the sparkly vinyl and it was the wrong type of vinyl. But this is the right kind. This is the heat transfer vinyl. And I think I ordered this vinyl online. I'll link it in the description box below if you so happen to have a Cricut or a Silhouette machine. But I love this one. I hope you can see the sparkle. I don't know if you can or not, but I like this one a little bit more than I like the other one. I like them both, but I like this one a little bit more. Same lining on the inside of it. And I love them both. I think they are both really cute. And I want to see if I can do that. I want to sell them in my store. So I just need to make the wristlets for them. And the other thing is, I don't know if I've ever told you all, but I have an embroidery machine. The other thing I did was little baby Yoda. I think little baby Yoda is awesome, and I put him on the front of a clutch bag. I'm not gonna sell this because I don't want Disney to come after me, but I will carry this with me, and I have to add the wristlet to this as well. But and I'm trying to also figure out the right color. This is a yellow green, which is what it says to use on the embroidery file, but I don't know. I have one more color green that I can use to see which one, because I have three, to see which one comes out with the better baby Yoda. So we'll see. But anywho, yeah, I use my embroidery machine, and I'll link where I got the file for Baby Yoda in the description box below. But yeah, that's Baby Yoda. So I am doing a lot of practicing on the Cricut machine, and I want to again incorporate that into my bag making and sewing journey. And I hope you guys like it. If I figure out how to set up my camera, I'll do a kind of like a watch me work. So starting from the Cricut to the sewing machine to the finished product. All right, so thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.